Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing a 2-3 kg boneless pork butt. That size fits common cans and presses. Make a curing brine, 1L water, 150 g salt, 50 g sugar, and 10 g prog powder number 1. This controls color and safety. You inject or vacuum seal the meat so the cure penetrates evenly. Do this because surface-only curing creates pockets of undercured meat. Once packed, refrigerate at 24 degrees C for 24 to 48 hours to complete the initial cure. Once cured, you need to shape and pack the meat tightly into sterilized cans or molds. Remove air pockets because trapped air expands during heating and ruins texture. Compress with a weight or press to a uniform density so slicing is consistent. Seal the can or clamp the lid, then steam at 100 degrees C. Monitor until the interior reaches 72 degrees C. This kills pathogens. After steaming, cool in an ice bath to 20 degrees C. Then refrigerate. You can smoke lightly before cooling for extra flavor. For shelf-stable canned ham, you must perform a final thermal process. Retort or pressure cook to achieve 121 degrees C equivalent lethality, or follow tested F0 targets, because this ensures botulism control. After processing, cool, label with date, and store in a cool place. Once opened, refrigerate and use within 3-5 days. If slices are spongy, you likely underpressed before cooking. Reprocess is not safe, so plan better next time. If you detect any off odor or sliminess, discard immediately.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.